Hi, Third Actor. This is your friendly Google Docs coach, showing you how to move documents and folders from ones that have been shared with me into your drive. So, you're in your drive, and you click on Shared with Me here on the left. And I've had some documents shared with me, but I want to put them into my drive. And the way I do that is by creating a shortcut. So I'm going to open the Third Act Bank's Pledge Toolkit by double-clicking. And if you'll notice up here, next to the title, is a triangle with a plus sign. And if you mouse over it, it says Add Shortcut to Drive. I want to add it to my drive, and I don't want it to sit out there all by itself. I want to add a folder to put it in to try to be organized. So I'm going to click on New Folder, and I'm going to name the folder, and I'm going to tap Enter, and I'm going to click on Add Shortcut here. Now, if I go back to my drive, and I click on the down arrow, you can see there's a banking folder there. And if I double click on the banking folder, in my drive, there's the Third Act Banking Pledge. Hope this helps.